concert with R.E.M Beauty, and since the only Canadian city she's performing at is Montreal, me and my boyfriend decided to make a little getaway out of it. So we're currently en route. We're 3 hours away, 2.5 actually. We have a pretty jam-packed schedule for the few days that we're there, so I thought I would take you guys along with us. So I'll see you when we get to Montreal. Hi guys, we just got to Montreal. We're charging the car right now, but in a while we're gonna go to the hotel, and then I think we're gonna have a little night out in downtown Montreal, just spend the night, chill, and then tomorrow we have a jam-packed day. Tomorrow's a concert as well. I will have to do a quick little hair, makeup, and outfit sesh before we go out tonight, but I don't know what we're doing, so we'll see where the night takes us. We're literally at Montreal's version of Fairview. We just got to our hotel. It's beautiful. This is the Staybridges in Montreal. If you're here, definitely recommend it. Guys, we checked into our hotel, all ready for a night out. Let's go to downtown Montreal now. Hi guys, I know you're a little bit lower right now, but it's day 2. I just got ready for the day. This is my little outfit, very cute. I don't really know what we're doing today. We don't have a solid plan. Today is the Ariana Grande concert, so I am using Mod Vanilla. I'm so excited for today. I genuinely feel like it's gonna be so fun, and I don't even know who else is gonna be there. I know one girl going. I don't even think I showed you guys my nails for the tour. They're very Eternal Sunshine inspired, but also Petal, because Petal actually dropped at midnight yesterday. I think our first stop today, no matter what, is gonna be Crew Collective. It's this really cool cafe that's in an old bank. So let's head over there. We're at Crew Cafe right now, but the line is so long, it's not even funny, so I don't think we're gonna wait. I think we might find another cafe down the street and then maybe come back. I think we'll go do the Notre Dame and then maybe come back to see if we can somehow get a spot, because it's like wrapping around the staircase. That's too much. I'm not gonna wait for that. I need my morning coffee. Okay, we ended up going to a place called Slice and Soda. Definitely recommend it because all the cafes we tried to go to were so busy and we were so hungry. But now we're at the Notre Dame. It's beautiful here. I remember coming here in 2021, but that was like during COVID, so I feel like there was less people and a lot of things were more closed. I've never been inside of here. I've only seen the outside, and when I walked in, we were shook. Okay, we just got back to the hotel. Our hotel has a pool, so we were like, we have a little bit of time. Let's go just see if it's busy or not. Maybe swim a little, and then we'll come back because I have to get ready, and I need like 2 hours to get ready for sure before we have to leave at 6 because doors open at 6:30. Hi you guys, a little bit later. I'm all ready for the concert. Obviously, I did positions as my era. Let me show you my outfit. I filmed a whole like makeup tutorial, dress with me, all of that, so you can catch that on my TikTok. I will link it all below. I'm also wearing these little boots, which is so Ariana. I love how my makeup came out. I did a little cut crease just to honor the positions era, but now I'm sweating and we really need to go, so let's get going. Hi guys, it's our last day in Montreal. We kind of had a slow morning, woke up, did the hotel breakfast, and then packed everything, and it's now in the car. A couple more things that we're doing today. I think we're gonna go to a really pretty church here. St. Victor Bagel is another place everyone told me to go, so I definitely want to go try that. The sun is in my face, so if I'm squinting, that's why. So yeah, it's gonna be a little half day, and then we got a road trip back to Toronto. But guys, I know the concert, I never recapped or anything, but all I can say, I'm literally at a loss for words. I just cannot believe that I saw the woman I've looked up to literally since I was 11 the girl that I play in my car every single day, I finally got to see her in real life, and I went to her concert with her makeup brand. Like, I can't wrap my head around that, and I wouldn't even have been doing this if it weren't for you guys. I had to stop myself from crying so many times yesterday because I was just at a loss. I was like, wow, like, what is even happening? I can't believe what I'm seeing in front of me. She is not just a performer, but she's literally like an icon. When she's doing things, it's so effortless. She opens her mouth to sing, and I'm like, are you even trying? Like, this is insane. I have actually been waiting 16 years to see her live, because when she did go on tour so many years ago, like in 2014, I just was in high school. I had no money. So I finally had adult money. I bought my ticket to Chicago, and I actually ended up selling my Chicago ticket. That's because R.E.M invited me to the Montreal show. So again, I'm just so glad and grateful. I will never forget today. We just got to the church. I used to come here as a kid all the time, and this is my first time being back here in probably like 12 years, honestly. It's been a while, and it's so beautiful, and it's really busy here today. We just had Rosie's Burgers. We didn't end up going to St. Victor Bagel because the line was disgustingly long, and I couldn't wait. So hungry. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for coming along with me on this Montreal trip. Again, I'm literally only able to do any of this because of you guys, so thank you. But I will see you guys in the next one.